Celery, lamb. Do they marry? Let's find out. This is a heartwarming dish from Persian cuisine called celery stew. Tender lamb cooked in a combination of celery and other herbs. The flavors work perfectly together and it is very unique and very much like a warm hug, but at the same time refreshing. So let's cook it together. The onions have lost their water and changed color a bit. I'm adding the oil. A little bit of turmeric. Just a touch of cinnamon. The celery ends go in. A touch of salt. I'm using Celtic salt because I'm fancy. For heat, I'm adding harissa. You can use a little bit of chili, black pepper. This one has everything. So this is a combination of cayenne pepper, cumin, a little bit of black pepper and a bit of chili and all that. It's really good for your stomach and I really like the amount of heat that it adds to the meal. The meat has browned off. I'm adding all the herbs. So this is the celery leaves, the parsley and the mint. Look at this. Love it. You can use fresh mint or dry mint. I like fresh mint. Not that growing mint is very difficult, but this is from my garden. There's different methods of making it. Some people, if you want to be very traditional, would fry the herb like for a long time. But I really want to keep the property and greenness of the herbs. So I always have this way of, making it a bit healthy as well. Not just delicious, but also healthy. Topping it up with some boiling water. The reason why I'm using boiling water rather than hot water is that because I don't want the temperature of the meat that has gone up. I don't want to bring it down. I don't want to shock the meat. I want it to be still warm and keep cooking slowly. 5 days later. Have the slowest pot on earth. Now I'm putting the lid on for all the ingredients and cook together, and as my mom puts it, they all settle. The celery stew is ready and we are going to serve it. It all comes together perfectly and the lamb is nice and tender.